Thank you for tuning into this video on how to perform the side-lying abduction strengthening exercise. This exercise will help strengthen the muscles that move your thigh out away from your body, also known as hip abduction, such as the tensor fascia lata on the side of your hip and the gluteal muscles on the back of your hip. For the isometric version of this exercise, you will need a comforter or yoga mat or a firm bed, 2 long socks, and a shoelace. For the unweighted version, you will only need a comforter or yoga mat or firm bed. For the weighted version, you will need a comforter or yoga mat or a firm bed, 2 long socks, and a small Ziploc bag filled with sugar, rice, or flour. To perform the isometric version of this exercise, begin by tying a knot on one end of a shoelace. You should form about a medium-sized loop. And after that, go ahead and pull on both ends of the loop to make sure that's nice and sturdy. Now, while making sure to wear long socks to help prevent any skin irritation that may occur from the shoelace, go ahead and place the shoelace around your legs, slightly above your ankles. Now, position yourself laying down on your side, with the leg that you will be working up on top. Your legs should be stacked directly on top of each other like this. Now rest your head on the pillow. To perform this exercise, raise your legs straight up towards the ceiling, like this. And once the shoelace does not let you go any farther, hold that end position for 10 seconds. As you can see, the larger of a loop that you tie, the more range of motion and ability that you'll have to raise your leg, and the smaller loop that you tie, the less you can move it up. Depending on what your available range of motion is, you can alter the size of the loop. After 10 seconds, you should slowly lower your leg back down. You should feel this exercise working in the side region right here. This is 1 repetition. You should perform 5 repetitions of this isometric exercise. Once you are able to effectively perform the isometric version of this exercise and you obtain the approval of your healthcare provider, you may perform the unweighted version of this exercise. Position yourself laying down on your side with your legs straight and your legs stacked on top of each other. The leg that is on top is the leg that you will be performing the exercise with. In this video, I will be demonstrating this exercise with my right hip. To perform this exercise, while keeping your legs straight and the rest of your body stable, you're going to raise your legs straight up towards the ceiling like this. You should hold this top position for 2 to 3 seconds, and then slowly lower your leg back down. This is 1 repetition. You should perform 10 repetitions of this exercise 2 to 3 times. Once you are able to perform the weighted version, Once you are able to effectively perform the unweighted version of this exercise, you may progress to performing this exercise weighted. First, you will need to wear socks on both feet. Next, you will need a small plastic bag filled with rice, flour, or sugar. You should place this into the inside of your sock on the leg that you will be working. Again, in this video, I will be demonstrating this exercise with my right hip. Now, begin by positioning yourself in the same position as before, laying on your side with your legs stacked on top of each other. You should perform this exercise with the exact same technique as before. You should go ahead and raise your leg up straight up towards the ceiling, going as high as possible. You should hold that position for 2 to 3 seconds, and now you should slowly lower it back down. This is 1 repetition. You should perform 10 repetitions 2 to 3 times. Thank you for watching this video on how to perform the side-lying hip abduction strengthening exercise. I hope it helps.